Hi and welcome to this Uplifting Trance production course. For any of you that don't know me, I'm Allan Morrow and I've been lucky enough to sign my tracks to the likes of Armada, Future Sound of Egypt, Pure Trance, Vandit and many more within the scene. I've also been able to get my tracks played by the likes of Armin van Buuren, Paul van Dyk, Ali Feeler, Paul Oakenfold and many others. So if you're struggling in the studio, maybe you can't get tracks finished, maybe you're getting stuck at certain parts of it, maybe you're struggling with sound design, arrangement, all of the things that come with producing, then be sure to check out this course. What's different about this course than others you might find? So nothing is pre-planned. I've not gone out and selected sounds already. You get to see the full process from me selecting those sounds as I'm building the track. You get to see the thought process behind that, and this is really important information when it comes to learning how to produce, because if I was to just pick sounds from the sky that I already know work, then when you go back to your studio you're going to be wondering why aren't my sounds working like this. So in this course, we go from everything from the ground up right up to a finished mastered track. We're going to start off with idea creation, so we're going to look at getting ideas down for the track so we can build around it. You know, that involves sort of like melodies, pads, piano, guitar riffs. We're going to be looking at the kick and bass, the percussion, we're going to be looking at effects, we're also going to be looking at transitions, arrangement, automation. At the end I also do a bonus video where I go through all the sound design for the sounds. We'll be looking at mixing, we'll also be looking at getting the track ready for master as well. So everything is in there that you can think of from the ground up. So if you are struggling with your productions and you're struggling to get that professional sound, then be sure to check out the course. It's over 10 hours long, and if you are an Ableton user, you get the free quick start template, and that also includes the quick mix rack as well. So yeah, be sure to check out the course if you are struggling, and I hope to see you soon.